Okay, so here we have some freshly harvested white pine needles, okay? We're gonna use these in the cookies. My husband accidentally ripped off the twig instead of plucking them. But we will wash these up and then select the good needles, mince them very finely, and get them in the dough. Mashallah. Okay, so now they are cut. You make the dough. These are shortbread cookies, so they're like butter cookies. And you make them into a log, put them in the freezer for 15 minutes so they get kind of formed together, and then slice them. Okay. The cookies turned out excellent, mashallah. I wanted you to see kind of like the differences. I cooked this one a few minutes, baked it a few minutes less, and put it in the fridge for 5 minutes and in the freezer for 15 minutes. This was the first batch, these two, so I put them side by side. Because when you cut it, you know, you can see the difference in the aesthetic. I have to say, it is delectable. Absolutely wonderful. Who knew that you could use pine needles this way? Very excellent. I'll put the recipe in the description box so you can try it as well. And I think more people should start realizing what's edible out there. Mashallah, tabarakallah.